realizing your future through our solutions. Since entering the tractor business in 1977, LS Mtron has been leading the global agricultural machinery industry beyond just Korea. We have been steadily building our capabilities to serve more customers. And with a factory in Jeonju, Korea, that produces more than 30,000 tractors a year, we have established production and sales bases in the US, Brazil, and China. We have grown into a global total agricultural solutions company with a sales network of more than 500 sites in more than 40 countries around the world. Our tractors utilize globally recognized technology, allowing us to maintain long-term cooperative relationships with global agricultural machinery companies as suppliers of tractors. Through this, we are introducing the world to various solutions that revolutionize agriculture. LS Smart Trek, autonomous technology that allows tractors to work on their own, shortens cultivation time, and enhances productivity even further. With iTractor, a remote management service that monitors every moment of your agricultural fields and tractors, customers can check the condition of their tractors anytime, anywhere, and perform maintenance quickly. We have established a diverse lineup ranging from 20 horsepower compact tractors to agricultural tractors pushing over 100 horsepower, and are currently developing proprietary engines and implements beyond just tractors. With our extensive database built over long years of experience, LS Mtron is taking another leap forward as an agricultural innovation company, constantly working to improve your future with total agricultural solutions for a more abundant life. Leading solution for you, LS Mtron.